So let us make another way of presenting dual axis. Let me get order date and drop it to columns. I'll make it as month, continuous month, and I'll get sales, and I'll get sales again here. And this time, and second sales, I'll just make it as what? First running total, and that is cumulative. Let me integrate and using dual axis. And if you see here, and I have the sales here, and I'll make the sales as a bar, and I'll just go to color. I'll go to opacity. I'll just reduce opacity whatever you want it based on the importance which you want to give. And this is all about making another dual axis plot, and where you're presenting one is absolute sales, another one is cumulative sales. Yeah, so now, so if you look at these dual axis many times, you can't actually add the third dimension, and then we won't be able to look at the dual axis. Dual axis option is possible using only two graphs or two, parallel plots. So if you want to make actually the third aspect in terms of integrating into a single figure, you can use measure values and names. And I'll show you here how do we implement measure values and names. Let us understand making measure values and names. Let me do one thing in this case. Let me get that this order date, and I'll make it this month, and that is continuous month, and I'll get sales here. Look at the profit. What I do, I drag and drop it here. If you see here, I just drag and drop profit here. The profit happens. Look at again one more thing. I'm just dragging dropping, that is quantity. Look at here, able to make the three figures at a time by dragging and dropping it into this particular space. So that way, so you can have the extension of dual axis. This is a kind of plot which is goes beyond the dual axis plot. Dual axis, maybe you can have two things simultaneously, but here I just added third thing. Here you can add n number of aspects in your measure value so that you'll be able to. And also from here, you can have multiple things here. Default me all the measures are saved in your measure names. You can actually have more number here if you want. You can activate it here otherwise. Okay, so let me make another a plot using measure names and values. Let me get my category and subcategory, and I have category, I have subcategory here. So what I do here, I just want to give labels here. So what I simply do, I have the sales here, I drop it here in this section, and look at here, the name is presented here. I'll get profit also one more time here. I'll get profit, I'll drop it again here. Look at here, I'm able to get profit and sales here. Right now, if you look at your measure values, you can edit filter, you can activate discount if you want, you can activate and apply it, so that discount also would be reflected here. Right, and afterwards you want to prepare the tables, you can prepare, this is a table, right? So you want to get that the totals, subtotals or something like that, add subtotals, you will be able to get a discount. Then discount, you need to make it as what, so it'll be more of average discount, you can make it. So look at, and once you make average discount, there is no decimals, that's the reason we are getting here. I'll go here, I'll format it, I'll get the number, and I'll make it percentage, two decimals are in percentage. So this will be able to work in this way. So that's it.